Section 11-1, Angles, Lines, and Transversals. A transversal is a line that intersects two or more lines at different points. In the diagram, line T is the transversal. This line is line T. See, we have line T. This is line A, and this is line B. Line T is a transversal because it intersects two or more lines at two different points. It intersects line B at this point. It intersects line A at that point. So line T is a transversal. Next, let's talk about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles lie on the same side of the transversal and in corresponding positions. Corresponding angles are on the same side of the transversal and they're in the same position. They're either both above the line or both below the line. Often these lines are parallel, and we'll be talking about those later. But you're looking at angle 1 and angle 5. They're both on the left side of the transversal, and they're both up above my two lines. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. We can also talk about angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 2 and angle 6 are corresponding angles. They're both on the left side of the right side of the transversal, and they're both up above on top of the lines, 2 and 6. 3 and 7 correspond. They're in the same position. They're both on the right side of the transversal, and they're both below the line. So 3 corresponds to 7. And then our last pair of corresponding angles is angle 4 and angle 8. 4 and 8. They're both on the left side of the transversal below the line. 4 corresponds to 8. Next, let's talk about alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles lie within a pair of lines and on opposite sides of the transversal. So they lie within the pair of lines. So interior angles would be right in here where I'm circling in between the two lines. But they're on opposite sides. So angle 4 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles, 4 and 6. We also have another pair of alternate interior angles, angle 3 and angle 5. Angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles.